Michelle Obia, I'm greeting everybody. Today is a special day. You know, I said I'll come out and say something about this coronavirus. The topic is what is wrong with African leaders? What is wrong with African leaders? I don't know. I don't know what is wrong with them because like play this coronavirus is because I'm in Italy. Virus and virus, is at times I can say virus, I can say virus because virus is in Italian language. So please, if I say virus, then you know that the language is complicating. English, Italy, I mix it just like that. Please forgive me. I am doing this video for our African leaders, especially for them, because I don't understand them. I don't understand them. If you hear or if you see this video across, please push it, send it to our African leaders. And if it is your first time to watch Bata TV, please help and subscribe and push my channel to future level. I'm here today in favor of all Africans, all Africans, because in the world now we are suffering from this virus called coronavirus, and it is pity that people are dying, people are suffering for the rate, people are suffering, really suffering. So in my country, Ghana, like this, I watch many, news, and I'm seeing nonsense things, how the lockdown is good. The lockdown is very, very good. Even here, they lock down everywhere. They're supposed to do so. They're supposed to lock down everywhere. Everybody to stay at home in favor of the citizens of wherever you are. To lock down everywhere. To not contact the disease one after the other. But we hear that you have to lock down your country. But if you lock down your country, you have to help the people who are in need, the poor people, the street people. If I said street people, not somebody who is in ghetto, that is smoking, is maybe weed, or the ghetto, the person is doing drugs. No, those people are not street people. I'm talking about maybe somebody that from Accra go to Kumasi and the person is hustling, or the person from north to Accra and the person is hustling. The person don't have mother, don't have father, don't have any relation, don't have any family, but the person is in that town for his future. Those people we call street people. I saw many videos on YouTube, on Facebook. People are crying. The Northerners, the Kayayo peoples, they are crying. How you can lock down your country without any help? In this Europe, they lock down their country, but they help everybody that is in need. We have poor people in Europe too. White people poor. We have them, many. Or you are working, maybe your salary is less, small salary. They will help you. In this condition, this period of coronavirus, they will help you. Even though it's small, a month, they can give you like maybe 300 or 400 euros. The 400 euros can do anything for you, can do something for you. For 3 months, maybe, we don't know when the virus will leave us or the virus will go away. In we Africa, you know that we don't have any, we have doctors, but our case is different. Our case is different. We don't have many equipment like these people, Europeans. You know, people will die because of this thing. If the person stay house at home like 2 weeks and the person is not working, how the person can survive? How the person can survive without help of some rich men, help of government? That is why I said I don't know what is really wrong with our politicians. This is the time. If Ghanaians go feel our country, this is the time. When again? When? This our money. I don't know. You know how much gold bar costs? Gold bar. You know how much gold bar costs? Even though we don't have anything in Ghana, gold bar, only one gold bar, you know how much it costs? And every day, gold is going outside. They are transporting our gold outside our country and go and sell them to who? And where the money? Where is the money? In this period, you can't help even poor people whom you said they should stay at home. Forget about the rich people. Forget about the people who are working. Forget about them. But those people who don't have, if they don't go, they will not eat. If they don't go, they will not eat. Those people, you think about those people before you lock down. Not about locking down. The sickness is about all this, is all around the world. Coronavirus is all around the world. But before you lock down, you have to systemize your things. You have to position your people. Because if you don't position your people, if the hunger If the person don't eat like 2 weeks, or all the money the person has, he spend it for 2 weeks, how can the person can survive? How the person can survive? Please, I want my politicians to tell me. People will go out. People will definitely go out. Because if somebody is feeling hungry, the person will go out and find something to eat. Because the person is hungry. Because you people are politicians, you people get the money, so you don't know the outcome of suffering people. You don't know the sufferness. You don't know how sufferness tastes. You don't know how people suffer. People are selling at market. People are selling at market. They don't have any resources for anywhere. They don't have any income for anywhere. Is that market is their everything. If they don't go, they will not eat. Somebody is you. If the person don't go, the person don't eat. Somebody is pushing truck. If the person don't go, the person will not eat. Somebody is doing construction. If the person don't go, the person will not eat. Farmers, if they don't go, they will not eat. And many more. Name them, many. If they don't go, they will not eat. Why is it like that? You can't help. Small, this is small help, even though if it is small, even though it's small government, even though it's small, this situation is your situation. If citizen of somewhere, Nigeria or Ghana or all Africa, if any citizen will feel your happiness is this time, the person is supposed to eat. The resources of his country this time. You have to, if you don't help this time, you cannot help anybody again in this world, in this generation, in this our generation or coming generation. Government, you can't help anybody again, because what help again? What help? If you can't help this situation, this period of time, people are at home, they don't work. People are at home, they don't work. Is this time you're supposed to wake up, even though the thing is small. Then you give it to them. Then the people can't go out. You said the people go out, go home, stay at home. You give somebody something. You give the person something to stay at home and look after the person's family. No. You say stay home without nothing. America, they give their citizens something. Europe here, everybody are giving their citizens something. The poor ones, those people who cannot afford anything, they are giving them something. Every day is you people, Africa. They say Africa. We get the money too. They get it. Not like we don't have the money. We have it. But because of your greediness or wickedness, I don't know, greedy or wicked, I can't place it. You people can place it for me. You people can tell me which one it is. wickedness or greedy. If I think sometimes I don't know how, I don't know. We have everything. We have everything. We have everything. But we can't solve our situations. We can't solve our problems. We can't solve our problems. This time, my African police, please, this time, this situation, don't beat people. Like I saw soldiers beating people anyhow. Like people are animals. They say we should fight coronavirus, not fight our citizens, not fight our people. Europeans, they use their head every day. They use their sense, their brain. Them, God did not put any gold for them. Oil, no. Diamond, no. God did not give them. But they get this. They are intelligent. They know how to handle their situations. In any situation, they know how to handle it. But we, that God give everything, put money inside sand for us, inside ground, put oil abundantly, diamond here and there, everything abundantly. But we don't have anything. Why? I'm asking myself, why? Why? Okay, you people can put soldiers, you can bring soldiers to beat people, but you can't wake up and help those people who are in need. You see how our brain is backward. You see how our sense is too low. We know how to beat, but we don't know how to help. If you help, if you help the citizens, if you tell them sleep, they will sleep. Stay, they will stay. Because you are helping them. But you are not helping them at all. You don't mind. You don't mind. If the person will die, make it die. It's not your problem. At the end of the day, you say, make the person go sleep with hunger, without eating anything. Make the person go sleep. Make the person stay inside his house. Who will accept this? I'm telling you people, if poor man, if poor man is hungry, the person can come out. If you kill him, then you kill him. Because sufferness is not something that is easy. Sufferness is not easy. If you not taste it, don't go there. If you don't taste it, you can't know what is sufferness, what is poverty. If you never taste it, you can't know. So my 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 politicians, my African politicians, please, in favor of my Ghanaian people, because every day I said this thing, I love my people. I like to talk about politics because we have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot. That is why I like to speak politics. I feel happy if I said something about politics. I feel happy because African politicians they are not doing any good for us. See this situation. They say coronavirus. At the end of the day, you leave your border open. You hear the coronavirus, you hear coronavirus, corona. And you leave your border. You want the virus to come inside your country before you fight it. And finally, the virus is here in our country. And you said people should go and stay inside their house without coming out. And you don't do anything of helping them. This is disaster. Even this Europe, if you said make European white man to go stay at home without helping the person, you will see they will come out. If you want to kill them, they will come out. Because we Africa, we are good. African people, we are too soft. We are too soft in our heart. We are too soft in our heart. That is why we can't fight these people. We can't fight this government. We have to stand and do something. We have to stand and do something. We have to do something. By all means, we have to do something. We have to do something. Because these people are taking us for granted. Not sanitizer. And wash your hand with sanitizer and this thing, face mask. Protect yourself and protect the citizens. Tell them to protect themselves and protect them, giving them accommodation, giving them food to stay at home. Because it's not everybody that is rich in our country. In Ghana, you can say 20%, only 20% has the money. Only 20% or 15% is rich. All and 15 like this, like that. People are coping. People are trying their best to survive. 15, making 30, and the 60 all condemned. All poverty. You see how our greedy and selfishness landed us. We can't even control our people. We can't even control our people. To control a human being is very easy. It's very simple. You have to make the person feel okay. If you speak, the person will hear your language. If you speak, the person will hear your language. If the person is hungry, if you speak from morning to evening. The person can't hear anything because the person need food to eat. The person needs survivor where the person will put his head. I don't say government should help everybody. No. I didn't say so. The poor people, the street people, the people who don't have, you know that these people, if they stay at home, it will be very, 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 it will be very, very, very crucial for them. It will be very, very problem for them. So I will help them with something. You understand me? Even though not the money, but the food. With small something for food, food, protection. You understand me? It will be very, very, very okay. People can stay their home without any complaint. Without complaining. Because now people are complaining everywhere. People are complaining all angles. People are complaining. In Africa, if you go to Nigeria, the same problem. Nigeria is even worse. Nigeria is even worse. If people die, if the person die before you will help the person, or if the person is alive before you help the person. Now that we are alive, let us enjoy our money. The country money, let us enjoy it. When you don't see white people, they are enjoying while they are in this world. They are enjoying while they are here in this world. We, our government, we don't know where they are putting the money. We don't know where they are putting our money. We don't know where they are putting it. We don't know where they are putting our money. Every day we don't have. Africa, only Africa, we don't have. We don't have. Why we are electing president? Why we are electing them too? Why we are electing them? I don't understand. This thing I don't understand. Why we are electing them? Okay, to say we want president, just president, or because of our future, or because of our progress, we are voting or we are electing them. Or because we saw some people are electing their president, or they are doing this thing, voting. That is why we want to do our own like that. Because these people are not helping Africa. These people are not helping anybody. If they chop belleful, finish, they forget about everything. They forget about everything. And this thing is very, very painful. Too painful. Too painful, my dear. It's too painful. This morning I saw one Nigerian actress. She's complaining bitterly about electricity. About electricity in Nigeria. You say people should stay at home and they don't have even electricity in their homes. Now this is shameful. This is, in fact, this is, I don't know how I will put it. People should stay at home in the dark too. Hey, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. This is, I don't know, I don't know. No, no, no. That is why this time I don't want to speak. I don't, because everything is here. Everything is here. It's painful. It's painful. It's painful. Me, because of this time, I said no. I should speak something because I been I been seeing people talking. People are talking. Small, small. People are talking. We are suffering like this. Government should help us, but they don't do anything about it. I sit down. I said no. I am a YouTuber, even though I'm not popular. I have to speak something. I have to say something. Our politicians, you people should change. You have to change. Change. Change to better people. Change to better people. Change to better people. I don't know who is controlling you. I don't know who is controlling you to do this kind bad things you are doing.
Io infatti sto mettendo queste gabbie, ho fatto un disegno così, ho fatto un disegno. Questo sono io quando faccio lo specchio, che lo vedo che non voglio vedere più lo specchio, guarda. Che io vedo Gabriel.
Va bene, dopo facciamo, io sto facendo il video, capito? E dopo parliamo, no? Capito? Ok, dopo, 10 minuti. Excuse me for interrupting my video. This is my Facebook. I want to leave you people here because talking too much is not even advisable. If you talk small, if you say something small, maybe somebody out there, somebody somewhere will pick small thing inside. If you see this video, please push it to our politicians because their own is too much. Their own is getting too much. Their own is getting too much. We don't know what thing did they do there. Help people in this condition, oh, this corona condition. You said people you lock down. You said people should stay at their home. Help them to survive. Help these people to survive. If you don't help these people, they will come out. The people will come out to find food to eat. If you no help them, they will come out and find food to eat. Learn small how Europeans does, how they does their things. how they do their things. Learn. You have to learn. I will put it, you people don't know anything. Learn from Europeans. Learn from them. Learn from them. This situation, you lock down your country. Help the poor ones so that they can go out. I will leave you people here. I love everybody, especially my family, my country, and I love Africa, and I love everybody in this world. And I'm praying that God, God should help us and fight this coronavirus. In Italy, we pray that this coronavirus should leave us alone. So everybody, if you go on your knees, please pray and protect yourself. Please protect yourself. Don't say you are black. Maybe you said now the coronavirus don't know baby. You don't know a child, you don't know an old man, you don't know an old woman, you don't know a young man. Coronavirus coronavirus don't have respect for anybody. So if you have your way, please protect yourself, my people. Protect. We are doing our best. Protect yourself. Even though you are in Africa, you are in Europe, America, please protect yourself. I love you people all, and I'll continue to love you. If it is your first time to watch my channel, please put the subscribe button and push my channel to the next level. So my people, bye bye, and next time don't forget to protect yourself. God bless you. Bye bye.